Hey, what's going on, YouTube? Got the old Mongo man out here Saturday afternoon, as usual. Just finishing up here in the garage on old General Norman. Wanted to let you guys see what we got done today. We are very close to having this thing ready for primer. Chad actually went out and bought the primer. Actually, it's a two-part epoxy urethane that we're going to put on it because of all the bare metal that we have. So he did get that this week, so we do have it here in the garage. We're just about, I would say, maybe 2-3 days out from having everything absolutely ready to go. So let's take a look and see what we got done here today. Down here inside of the trunk, there was a couple welds along the back side here that we had to clean up. And then right here, there was a hole that I welded shut there. So we got all that done. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of work here. As you can see, this little hole right here needs to be filled. But one of the big things we did today was back here in the back, for the back window. If you look right there, and then on the other side right there, the piece that comes down from the top, and you can see the seam of it right there, that seam was actually opened up about a 1/2 inch. So what we did was we cut the back side in through the back, and this isn't going to work, but I'm going to try it anyway. It's over here. So the seam back here, this seam right there, we ended up slicing that and then pushing it down so that I could weld it back up. And then I formed it up with some weld and got it all cleaned up. So that's one of the big things that we did today, was made it so the back window will fit in and seal nicely. Some of the other stuff we did today, Beth has got the quarters ready for primer, ready for epoxy, which is cool. It's a lot of work trying to get that stuff ready, and she really is doing a good job trying to get that stuff done for us. Coming up here, we did put the doors back on today, and now since we had the doors on and made sure that the radiuses are good, I'll be able to finish up the welding here. I'm going to have to clean this up and get it welded. We welded up a hole here. Chad actually ground one of the little divots through, and that will need welded up. But as you can see, everything inside is looking 100% ready to go. Coming up to the front, you guys saw me repair all this stuff, so that's all been dressed and ready. And I did go through and do a little bit of cleanup work. So you can see a couple of the spots in there where I did some grinding. We did find what looked like a patch here. And then I did some welding and stuff on the back here, and that's actually where I started today. Coming across. Again, had both doors on, so I'm going to have to get both of these quarters welded up. And now we have the door hinges back off of it so that I can get everything under there primed. Beth has got the roof ready to go. And again, coming around here, maybe I can get you a really good look here at what we did on both sides of that, both the driver's and the passenger side. Looking at the back of the car, this is what we did the last time. I went ahead and fixed all of these. So that's all looking good. Just needs scuffed up with some 80 grit. So yeah, everybody, that's kind of where we are here with General Norman today. Tomorrow night, we are planning on doing a live right here from the garage. So I've got some stuff put together for that. And we're going to be going over a lot of the stuff that we've already done, some of the stuff that we have planned to do, and we'll have a questions and answer section if anybody does watch. So if you guys are interested, we're going to do it Sunday at 5 p.m. So hopefully I have this video up before then. We're going to have the live up at 5 p.m. there Sunday afternoon, and hopefully we do get some guys to watch that. So I'm glad everybody's here watching, making sure we're keeping on task with General Norman, and we are definitely happy that the subscriber number keeps growing. I think I gained like 10 or 15 subscribers just this week, so thank you for the new guys coming along to watch what we've got going on. And of course, thank you for all of the old subscribers that are still here and putting up with our shenanigans and, all the antics and whatever it is. All right, so that's it for tonight. I'm going to go get cleaned up and head on out for dinner. Talk to y'all later.